Merlin's Ears and welcome to today's room tour. We're currently staying at the Cabana Bay Beach Resort at Universal Orlando in Florida. This is the second time we've stayed here. We haven't stayed here though for about 6 years, and ever since we did stay back in 2019 I've been dying to come back. More specifically, I've been dying to come back because I wanted to try a Volcano Bay View room, and that's exactly what we've got this time. So we're here just for 2 nights mid-trip, and we have got a Volcano Bay View room, which is in the beachside tower of the resort. So we've spent 1 night here already, so I've got a bit of background information and sort of, I'll be able to give you a bit of an honest review about the stay so far. But before I do that, I'm just going to flip the camera around now and show you the room. So this room is on the 8th floor of the beachside tower. As soon as you come in, there's quite a sort of large sort of entrance hall area, if you like. On the right hand side you've got the wardrobe. There is a safe here, which is very straightforward to use. It is quite small though. You could probably get an iPad in there if you stand it upright, but as you can see it is very narrow. Up the top there you have got some spare blankets and pillows. How many you got? What, 3, 6, about 8 coat hangers in there. You've got a luggage rack down at the bottom. Then as we turn to the left hand side, you've got the kitchen, no you haven't, you've got the sink and the vanity areas. There is just one sink, some really nice lighting in here. You've got 2 drawers on either side. You've got some extra towels down the bottom. There is the hairdryer on the wall. There are some PowerPoints for shavers as well. And then you go into a, sorry, excuse me, I have just come back from the pool. Hi. Then on the, you've got a separate toilet and shower room. It's all very modern. I say modern, this hotel does have a retro theme. Just going to shut the door. It's going to be a bit echoey because I'm in obviously the shower part now. The shower is huge. Honestly, you could get a whole family of 4 in this shower, it's so big. It comes with the VO5 shower gel and shampoo fixed to the wall there. And this shower is lovely, just the right pressure. It's got adjustable settings on there as well, and it's also got a clothesline if you want to hang up your swimwear, which I will be doing shortly. Okay, and then you come into sort of the main area of the room, which is really, really good size. You've got 2 huge beds. You've got double lighting above each bed, which you can have as an uplight or a downlight. Some really retro themed artwork on the wall. This is an adjoining room, so if you've got a large family, it's ideal. You can have your kids in one side, adults in the other. Nice sized TV. You've got 4 good sized drawers. Let me see if I can open one. This one's got the swimwear in, that's not too embarrassing. There we go. So they're fairly good sized drawers. Like I say, we're only here for 2 nights, so we've kind of got a drawer each and one for swimwear. There is a fridge. I don't know what we've got in ours. I don't think we've got anything in ours actually, just some water. So as I was checking in, they gave me a couple of complimentary bottles of water, so you've got a little drinks cooler fridge there. You've got a coffee machine and an ice bucket. Let's see what else we've got here. So there's a really cool retro alarm clock. I unplugged it though, because it was making some really annoying clicking noise, so didn't want that when I was trying to get to sleep. You've got PowerPoints by the bed. You've got some more, I haven't looked in here actually. There's some storage here, just another little drawer. There's some random PowerPoints on the wall there. I'm not quite sure what you'd use them for, but there's no mirror or anything there, but there's some more PowerPoints if you need them. I've put this chair over here because I needed it to put my glasses and bits and pieces on, but there's another PowerPoint by the bed there. But yeah, that chair did go alongside this table, so it's nice if you want to have coffee in the morning. And look out at the reason I booked this room, the grand reveal. Da da da! Just get this curtain back. Look at that view. I just cannot get enough of this view. I've literally sat here all last night, all this morning, just staring at this. I found it fascinating. So we watched everybody get turfed out yesterday, and then you see all the staff doing all the sort of maintenance stuff, and you saw the lifeguards training this morning. This is just incredible, this view. It is a little bit more than the standard rooms. Obviously prices are going to vary depending on the time of the year. I think it was about 100 odd quid for us, so, but it's worth it. You're not going to see it from here, but way over in the distance you can also see Epcot, and when the balloon goes up at Disney Springs you can see that as well. But I just cannot get enough of this view. It's absolutely incredible. So that basically shows you everything that the room has to offer. The Cabana Bay is a kind of like 50s, 60s retro themed beach resort, and the theming in the rooms really does reflect that. Absolutely love it here. So we stayed at Dockside and Surfside recently, and this is also considered a value resort, but it just doesn't feel like a value resort. It definitely feels better, way better than a value resort. So little things like the floor is carpeted throughout, which in a hotel is perfect for me because I hear every single little bit of noise. And at Dockside and Surfside it's hard flooring, so you can hear people above you. Here there's no noise at all. I mean, the only downside, if I have to be picky, is you can hear the music from Volcano Bay, and you can hear all like all the maintenance stuff going on in Volcano Bay sort of early in the morning, but it doesn't bother me because I love it. I love all of that stuff. But if you are a light sleeper and noise bothers you, it might be something to consider. But I absolutely love this hotel. I will put a montage of all the facilities on offer at the end of this bit here. But there is so much for everyone. This is the perfect family hotel. There is a huge arcade, one of the biggest I've seen in the hotels we stayed at. There's a bowling alley, there's a gym, there's 2 swimming pools. One's got a water slide. It's not the most thrilling water slide, but it's a water slide. And the other pool is slightly smaller, but that has got a lazy river. It's just fantastic here. I cannot praise this hotel enough. It's probably my favourite by far of all of the Universal hotels. As with all the Universal hotels, you do get early park entry. Another bonus for Cabana Bay is you actually have a private entrance into Volcano Bay, as well as being able to access the water park early. So it's a win-win. You not only have the complimentary buses that go to the theme parks, there is a walkway that you can get to City Walk, but from memory, last time we did it, it took about 25 minutes. In the Florida heat, that's not ideal. The buses are so regular, and once you're on the bus, it takes between 7 and 10 minutes to get to Universal City Walk, depending on traffic. So I would get the bus all day long. But yeah, I cannot recommend this hotel enough. If you're thinking about coming to Universal Orlando, definitely give Cabana Bay a try. But I'm going to leave you now with the montage of all of the hotel facilities. Thank you so much for joining us on this room tour, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!